GE refrigerator model PSB48YSNSS error codes. Make food last longer with this GE Profile Series 28.7 cubic feet side-by-side built-in refrigerator with dispenser. The advanced temperature management system ensures all areas are at the desired coldness, and a combination of adjustable and pull-out shelves and bins provides maximum storage flexibility. The integrated dispenser with LED lighting on this GE 28.7 cubic feet side-by-side built-in refrigerator has refrigerator controls such as temperature settings. Error codes. Code FF. Problem. Check frozen food for thawing because the temperature is rising too high. Code PF. Problem. The power to the refrigerator has been interrupted. Code C. Problem. Check the ice maker for proper operation. Code D. Problem. The defrost system has not operated properly in the last 24 hours. Code CC. Problem. Check the temperature controls because the temperature for the refrigerator is incorrect.